Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to turn this raw copper PCB and just a glossy printed papers into a fully etched professional circuit board. In just a few simple steps, this blank board will transform into a real working PCB. Let's build it together. Start by printing your PCB design files on glossy paper to ensure a clean and accurate transfer. Next, carefully trim the excess glossy paper and get your PCB board ready for the transfer. Next, cut the fiberglass board to match the exact dimensions of your PCB. Next, gently sand the copper surface of the PCB to help the paper adhere properly and improve transfer quality. Next, use a hot iron to transfer the PCB design from the glossy paper onto the copper surface of the fiberglass board. Next, place the PCB in a container and pour hot water over it to remove the excess paper from the board. Next, carefully remove any remaining paper from the PCB surface and clean it thoroughly to prepare for etching. In this step, use hot water and ferric chloride to etch the PCB, removing the unwanted copper from the board. Next, use a drill with the appropriate bit size to make holes in the PCB. Finally, apply a special adhesive to the glossy paper on the PCB, securing it to the fiberglass surface and marking the positions for each electronic component.